Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a sippy cup that is going to last through all the wear and tear, all the drops, it's not going to leak, and it's not going to break the bank, definitely you have to check out the sippy cups from NUBY. Our little one doesn't treat his sippy cups too well, but so far these Flex straw sippy cups from NUBY have been perfect because they are super durable, really great quality, and best of all, they are leak proof. I love that it's only 4 pieces and it's really easy to put together. You just want to make sure that the two dots are aligned and that the bottom of the silicone is completely flat so that there will be no leaks. This is a great transition to straw drinking. They have to bite down on this straw so it gets them used to the straw, and it's also really easy for your little one to hold. So if you're in the market for a sippy cup, you're gonna want to check out NUBY. The sippy cups are gonna last you a long time. They do not leak, which is great, and your little one is going to love them. And that's my point of view.